Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to set up now for forming multiple vortices by having the dry ice be placed into the boiling water. We'll turn on one set of fan. Just plug it over here. Again, all these fans are running at a high speed of 22 kilometers per hour, the highest speed level. Please understand, ladies and gentlemen, the multiple vortices form near the ground surface, since the downflow of air caused by the reduction of air pressure in the center shoots downward, radiates out near the ground, where the enlargement takes place to form multiple vortices. Now I'll bring you closer in to see this close up. Multiple vortices do not make one full revolution around the center. Sometimes they make a half revolution and dissipate on and off due to their very delicate nature. In the real world environment, multiple vortices have the highest winds on the planet. If you can see closely on your screen, you may see within the cloud that there are multiple vortices. And again, they do occur at brief times, so you have to focus in observing their formation. Multiple vortices do not connect to the top of the updraft due again to their very delicate nature and the fact of the downward motion of air near the ground surface is what splits the corner region of the single vortex tornado into multiple vortices. And the swirl ratio is, of course, being illustrated. Thank you again, ladies and gentlemen, for watching the result and witnessing these results of the experiment. Please refer to all the attached photographs for our measurement procedures of this experiment, in which the barometer, temperature sensor, and the anemometer were suspended from the updraft fan in order to measure the vortex without any human body disturbance.